Yo, what up, YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I am back with another review for you guys right now. Now, this time, this is dealing with Jsaux. So this item was sent out for me to do a test video. I showed you guys the unboxing of it. Sorry for the audio in it. I was setting everything up and my audio didn't come out the way how I wanted it to come out. I am very sorry about that, but we are fixing the problem right now as we speak. So, at no further ado, let's talk about it. Okay, so this is the product they sent to me. This is the Nintendo Switch 2 dock. Now, the thing is, the way how the Lenovo Legion Go 2 is and the original Legion Go is that this right here at the bottom, okay? Now, the problem is, with this USB at the bottom, the headphone jack at the bottom, and the SD card at the bottom, if you want to do a 2-monitor setup or a triple monitor, so that's basically this with a monitor and another monitor, so you have a triple monitor setup or a 2-monitor setup, which is going to be one monitor, this monitor. It does dual, so you got that monitor and the regular monitor up there. But if you want to do a side monitor like for your chat, then your gaming monitor, and have this down as whatever monitor, like just for your browser, and the other ones for your chat, and other ones for the game. The problem what happened is, let's say you had a where is it? Let's move it out the way. Let's say you have a cord like this, right? This one right here. And the thing is, this is a USB-C to HDMI cord. So you plug this in here, and whatever part the HDMI cord goes into basically gives you your signal for your monitor like that. And this is the source right here. So if you got this on a dock, like this dock right here, which I'm going to show you right now. Pull this over because I got a lot of stuff in the way. So let's say you have a dock just like this, right? You have a dock just like that, right? And the thing is, you went out, you spent all this money for a dock, and the thing is, you got the Legion Go 2, and you want to do that triple monitor setup like that, and you want to be able to, get all the extra stuff done. So this is where it comes in clutch for it right here. Because that they give you a dock that's portable right here, you can also take this and put a 3.5mm jack cord in there. Just put it up in here, hot glue it, whatever you want to do like that. They do give you vents. This is silicone, so it's not going to damage your Legion Go, and it fits in here perfectly. It fits the Switch 2 in here perfectly, as you can see like that. I have my Jsaux dock right here. As you can see right here, that's the Jsaux dock. That's just like this dock right here. And the thing was, I already tested this out on Jsaux, so it works perfectly fine with it. Only problem is, this thing is too big, so I can't get in there, and I actually had to put an extender on here. But this is the dock that you get right here. This goes inside the dock for the Switch 2. So if you already got this dock right here, only thing you gotta do is take this cord right there that would normally go to the top of your Legion Go, just like that. Pop it in there like that. I am going to turn mine around, so I'm going to flip it this way. I have a little sticky thing on here just to keep this clamped on here like that. So now I can take this dock, put it all the way to my side, as so. Okay. Now take this and this, pop this at the bottom, as so. Put this right here, and now I got a triple monitor setup. So when I turn this on, I have my triple monitor set up on here. Now I just got to plug this one little cord in to do my triple monitor. There we go. Okay, so let me bring over another camera for you guys real quick so you guys can see the triple monitor setup with the dock. So I'm going to bring in my DJI Pocket 3 so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. The triple monitor setup. Okay, and we're recording. So this is the triple monitor setup, as I was saying. As you can see right there, there's the dock right there. Here's the monitor. Here's the monitor. So the only way for you to be able to do this is with this extension dock like this and the silicone dock right there. So this is what's making it possible. So you got that little dock that they have with this This silicone dock is what's making everything clutch. Put it to the side. I can actually put something else inside the other dock right there and just go full at it. That's something that Jsaux, yeah, you guys is the GOAT. So like I said, they sent this out for me to do a review for it. Thank you guys for sending this out. I did inform them, let them know that after testing it, 110% works. I believe that they're going to update it now on their website, so you can use it for your handhelds, like for your Legion Go 2, Legion Go 2. I'm sorry, Legion Go and Legion Go 2. And hopefully they will start making stuff for the Legion Go 2. I spoke to them. I'm going to try to give them some insights of how they can actually go about doing it. I'm going to continue emailing them and try to give them some of the updates of how to actually go about doing all this stuff. So guys, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DYEZ gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace.